the Paradiddle-Diddle. Seems to be played a lot these days, and I'll tell you why. It's pretty easy to play, and it's a paradiddle with an extra diddle. So right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. It doesn't alternate naturally, so you have to practice it with your left. But here we go, the Paradiddle-Diddle. So fun to play fast, but you gotta stay low. Keep those taps low, accent high. And also, remember to start this off the left. The demos I did were on the right, but you must practice starting with the left or following with the right. Lead with the left. Remember, that's it, the Paradiddle-Diddle.